Hello guys, I'm Halin Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to especially have the more space on your iPhone device. Of course we will see especially. Automatically is it possible by tapping on a setting 2, of course we will come in iCloud and iCloud their options. See here, it's a totally full guys here. We don't have much more options, so if we tap on the manage, now see here what's going to happen. Yes, it's taking time, and what are especially taking the more space here, we can see 3 GB approximately photos, and of course we can see cloud drive, this kind of the things. Of course there is a lot of especially. Now the can I release especially 8 MB this one, so that we can, of course, by clicking on delete and health, of course now that we can have the more space especially. So now it's deleting, so see what are data are not needed especially that we can delete, and thereupon of course further we can have more space especially on a particular device. So here is the deleting on the other hand. Let's close especially to have the more space quickly. How it is, just I'm saying, just go for an administration 3U tool, connect your data cable with the help of especially device to PC or laptop, and thereupon of course here we will go for especially clean all the kind of the garbage, and we'll go for especially scan it. So it has started with, now see this device is connected, so it says scanning and here is a deleting guys. Just we are waiting here. The size C system approximately 4 GB photos, approximately 100 something. So this kind of especially, so the can I have so especially more space just to clean it. So now congratulations, your device has been successfully wet lost guys, and here is a little bit, it's taking time to delete. So is by that also you can have especially more space spontaneously, of course. On especially let it delete, it will take a scarcely 2 to 3 minutes, and thereupon of course we'll go for category by delete one by one, and we can have the more space especially on it here. It's still deleting, so a little bit maybe a server error or these things, and that's why having, but of course easily you can have especially more space. You can enhance your cloud storage especially by a same strategy. Here is a lot of the options that is not needed, you can delete of this thing. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.